Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we're going to be taking a look at another subscription box from the good folks over at Monthly Knife Club. This is a monthly subscription service where they got multiple tiers where you can get knives and EDC delivered to you every single month if you so desire. We are going to be taking a look at that. But before we do, you know how I do. I always ask you to please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and ring that notification bell while you're down there, even though it does absolutely no good. But you could be the lucky one to actually get notified when I upload new content. Could be you. You guys ready for Monthly Knife Club? Let's get into it. We're going to get into it right meow. Alright, so we are back with Monthly Knife Club, and as per usual, if you want to check them out, you can go to the Google, type in Monthly Knife Club, and you'll find them. They got a lot of boxes for you to choose from, a lot of subscription things, right? A lot of things that you can subscribe to. You can subscribe to these boxes, okay, the regular Monthly Knife Club boxes, that have like a knife and some little EDC items. They do have a very specific EDC box that I have featured on the channel before. If you are interested in that, you know, you can just kind of look through my channel and you'll see, you know, some of these, you know, box openings where I've actually done both the advanced plan, which is what this is, and the EDC box. I've done them kind of both together, but this time I only have this one because it doesn't make sense to get both of them because you get overlap in product, right? So to kind of keep that happen, we're going to have to make a choice. We got to figure out. One of them's got to stay, one of them's got to go. All right, here's your top-down view. Here's what we got for this month. Okay. All right. And for my channel members who are watching, here's what we got. All right, now there is a card in here, so let's see if I can dig out the card. Oh, we got a sticker. Oh, I saw it. So I guess I'll go ahead and spoil it, and we'll take a look at the sticker. All right, there's the sticker. There's the sticker. And it is the Kitty Goes Meow Meow for Monthly Knife Club. But the good thing is I haven't seen this sticker before, so that's good. Okay. All right, here's the card. You can see here Monthly Knife Club. Okay. Now, as I said, they've got a lot of different plans for you to choose from. This is Monthly Knife Club drop number 125. This is the advanced plan that we got, the premium plan, the ultimate plan. Then if you just want knives, they have a standard name brand knife, a tier 2, and an Onyx, and then they have the Onyx Plus. If you want to pause that and kind of scan it, you can. These are the values over here, and this is the plan cost over here. So this is what you're going to pay if you were to subscribe to this particular subscription service. Okay? All right. And they also have other stuff. Just saying. Like, if you like Zippos, they got a Zippo subscription service. I think they did. Last time I looked, they had a subscription for Zippos. Okay. All right, so the first thing we got here is the Combat Ready Survival Bracelet. OD green, 8-inch. This is the most nondescript, well, I mean, not nondescript. It's a survival bracelet. It's got paracord, and it's green. And it has a whistle. Like, there's a whistle right here. You see that? That's a whistle. So you got a whistle and paracord. There you go. All right. We got that. All right, now we get something that I'm probably going to get to make fun of because I'm a buttwad like that. All right, this is from Gerber. It's called the Gutsy. This is a compact processing tool. It has a gut hook there on it. Let's see. So you can hold it. We got jimping there. Okay. So you can get your gutting on and all that. Oh well, of course, here you cannot process game without a bottle opener. See? Right here. See? Bottle opener. That's the most important thing on here. Okay, we got a scaler up here. We got the gut hook there, and then we got a scooper. Ah, check it out. It's even got a little spoon on there. A little scooper. There it is. Woo, woo, whoop, 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 whoop. This is, I don't know. I may need to send this to Cliff. Just saying. Okay, so what do we got here? So the material is 5CR13 MOV, and it says, you know, fish, bare hand control. What the crap? Bare hand control. What does that even mean? Is that something that I don't understand? Obviously it is, if I don't know readily what it is. What is bare hand control? It says right here, bare hand control. What is that? Oh, bare hand, like, well, wait a minute. Like you don't need gloves? Like your bare hand, like your naked hand or something? I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think about stuff like this, man? You know how I feel about crap like this. I'm just saying. I'm a hater, bro. I'm a hater. I'm a hater. All right, then we got something from Boker, yo. Woo, look at that. Woo, uh-oh. All right. What is this? This is the Boker Plus Urban what? Urban Spill-O frame lock. That's a whole lot of flim-flam. Where's my knife at? All right, let's see what we got here. We're going to cut this, so now we're invested now because we done cut the little, the factory seal, man, the factory seal has been breached. I tell you what, let's save this for the end. We got one more thing. Okay, we have a Tactica EDC mat. Okay, look. Dude, look. I'm pretty sure that's a coinky dink, but look at that. The package has been separated. But the pull tab is still intact. Okay, whatever. It just happened. Okay, so what this is, like if you have a mantle or something, or you got a place, like on your nightstand or whatever, where you throw your crap, this is just a very grippy, I know there's going to be a crap ton of glare, so I apologize. But it's just a very grippy surface, and it has these three little like indented trays that you can put your keys, your change, your knives, whatever. It's just a little mat. So there it is. So it's the EDC mat. That's all I can tell you. Okay, and it's grippy. And I have one over there. So I've got this. But you know what happens when I get stuff like that? That, I don't really have an immediate need for or use. You know what happens to stuff like that? Stuff like this, you know what happens? I'll give you a guess. If you've been on my channel for any appreciable amount of time, you know what happens. You get a chance to win it. But you gotta watch the videos, bro. I need the views. So watch the videos and then come back, because I do giveaways, okay? Give you a chance to win some stuff. I'm not above trying to bribe somebody. All right, here's the Boker. Let's see what we got. Ooh, check that out. Check that out. It's all wrapped up in this nice little Boker. It's a formal Boker regalia. Okay, so we got a tool. We got a tool in there. More than likely, it's for maybe the main pivot and maybe the clip. But check that out, bro. Well, I like that, man. This is nice. This is bougie. This is bougie, man. This is super bougie. Look at that little guy. Boy, that's a small little knife. That's a small little knife. Okay. I like it. You know, I'm not going to say I don't like it. I like it. Let's see. Boy, this is going to be a little... Oh, okay. Well, it came out easier than I anticipated. I just cut myself. Can you believe that? God, dog. Okay, so yes, I had to go put a Band-Aid on. So anyway, this knife is got a very small profile. It is a frame lock. And the one thing that, sitting here messing with it before I cut this in, you see this side has the cutouts in it. Okay, and you see how much of the blade you can see, and then look at how thin this side is. I don't like that. Like, look, a minimalist knife is fine. This is, to me, it's unnecessarily minimalist. It's unnecessarily small. How about that? But, you know, it does, I mean, once it's deployed, it's fine. You know, it's fine. Like, it fits in your hand fine. Doesn't have anything up here on the top. It's very plain. No jimping or nothing like that. It does have a frame lock. It does have a very small shallow clip. You know, it is a frame lock. I don't know, man. I don't know what I think about this knife. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? My channel members. As per usual, my channel members are here aggravating me, making fun of me because I left the camera rolling while I went to go get a Band-Aid to try to repair myself so I wasn't bleeding everywhere. But yeah, I don't know, man. Like, this knife seems to be almost too small. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. So yeah. But you guys, feel free to let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think. This is the Boker Plus Urban Spillo. I can't see because of the... Oh, man, I'm going to pull all that off. Okay, let's go to the card. All right, so that's the Boker knife. All right, so what we got here in the advanced plan, we're in this for 65 bucks with shipping and handling. Okay, we got the Samurai Cat sticker, which is awesome. It's free. Okay, it's free. We got the... I was about to say, where did all the crap go? All right, we got the Combat Ready Paracord bracelet. This is only $4.95. Word? Okay, well, I can get with that. $4.95, that's not bad. I tell you what, let's do this. Let's start with this, with the mat. Okay, the EDC, the Tactica EDC mat. Holy crap, 30 bucks. I don't know about 30 bucks, man. That's a bit much. All right, anyway, 30 bucks is the assigned value to that. Okay, the paracord bracelet, 5 bucks. The sticker, free, but it's $5 value. The Gerber Gutsy. The Gutsy gut you up quick thing. How much is that jank? Oh, it's only 10 bucks. Okay. Okay, and then we got the Boker Urban Spillo that has injured me. $76.95. What you guys think? Okay, we're in this for 65 plus shipping and handling. So if you add up the perceived value that they give you, it's 121 bucks. So I don't know what you guys think. Hey, beautiful part about this, that's what the comment section is for. Sound off in the comment section. You guys think that you would have been interested in a box, you know, that had these types of things in it? Or, I mean, I know a lot of you guys love telling me how I got ripped off. And that, you know, You tell me, you know, you thank me that I did it so you didn't have to. It really doesn't make me feel any better. But that's how y'all do me, so. Hey, if you made it this far, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really greatly appreciate you. And something. That's it. That's all I got for you. I mean, I'm tired of this video. I got injured. I got injured on this finger. At least it's not the long finger, you know. Oh, I'm just kidding. All right, that's it. I'm out of here, man. I'm out of here. Yeah, 76 bucks, man. 76 bucks for a knife that injured me on the first deployment. That's not. It's not starting off on a very good note. So anyway, again, as per usual, may the Lord bless all of you watching this video and keep you. And if you are struggling right now, and if you're having a hard time, pray. Let the Lord in to change your life. And if you want, I'll pray for you. Until then, until next time, I'm out of here. Give me a thumbs up on the video. I'll see you guys later, man. Y'all, peace out.